As we gather here today, I acknowledge we are on Treaty 6 territory and the homeland of the Métis. We pay our respect to the First Nations and Métis ancestors of this place and reaffirm our relationship with one another. Hello everyone, and welcome to the Gordon Rawlinson Finance and Trading Room, Edwards School of Business, University of Saskatchewan. Located in the front lobby of our business school, the Gordon Rawlinson Finance and Trading Room demonstrates our commitment to developing business professionals to build nations. The space has capacity for 29 people and features 16 state-of-the-art Bloomberg terminals. Bloomberg software is the gold standard in the industry and adds to the value of our Edwards degree. The room would not have been possible without Gordon Rawlinson's support to transform an existing classroom into a new experiential learning opportunity with industry-specific finance and research tools.
I'm Noreen Mahoney, Associate Dean Academic, responsible for student experience. The design of the Gordon Rawlinson Finance and Trading Room allows us to be together and learn as a community. Experiential learning is an important aspect of the Edwards mission and augments the caliber of our finance degree offerings. Individual workstations were built for students and faculty alike. The design also incorporates flexible small group work tables, multi-level seating, state-of-the-art audio-visual capabilities with 9 screens to allow for multiple data feeds for learning and presentation purposes.
Hi, I'm George Tanous, a professor at Edwards. I teach security analysis and selection and work closely with the Dombrowski Student Managed Portfolio Trust that gives students real-world investment experience. The transformation of the Gordon Rawlinson Finance and Trading Room enhances our abilities to create robust portfolios and track fund performance. These experiential learning capabilities offer our students opportunities to analyze industry trends, examine news and research, and conduct market analysis and surveillance in real time with industry-specific finance and research tools. Through Bloomberg, the students can also earn a Bloomberg Market Concept Certificate, adding to their employability.
Hi, my name is Jeremy Riddell. I'm so excited for the launch of the Gordon Rawlinson Finance and Trading Room because it will aid students in developing practical skills that translate to higher value careers. I aspire to start a hedge fund, and having access to the Rawlinson Finance and Trading Room will help me achieve this with the opportunity to apply my financial modeling, analysis, and valuation knowledge to real-world scenarios. Without the Rawlinson Finance and Trading Room, I'd be less proficient with my understanding of capital markets and equity research and alternative investments. I'm proud to be an Edwards student because we represent the future of business in Saskatchewan and Canada.
Hi, my name is Aubrey Ann Liberty Piopisconius, and I'm excited for the launch of the Gordon Rawlinson Finance and Trading Room because I believe it's going to unlock new opportunities for students to have experiences that will be unique to their education and help them further their career in the future. My career goals are to hopefully help people with their financial planning so that they feel confident and secure in their decisions in the future. And access to this facility will help me get there by allowing me to take part and interact with other students so that I have the understanding and the background in these different investments. And I'm proud to be an Edwards student because the opportunities that they unlock here for me to be a better professional one day is what is going to take me further in my career.